Hello, this is Daniel.
I'm Cory.
With Joyous Voyagers, and with this video we are going to be in Lake Powell. We're actually in South Dakota right now. Looking forward to y'all catching up to us live. We're lagging behind about 6 weeks or so. But Lake Powell was awesome. The water was so beautiful blue, and
yeah, it was really pretty, and it was low, so you could see we were right at Lone Rock. So the water was real low, so you could see a lot more of the rock than you typically can. So that was pretty neat.
Yeah, the water was receded, and we could park right up on the beach. Had a fire that night as well. The dogs got to play and run around.
Yeah, that was pretty fun. The dogs love to run around, and especially in sand and just in open spaces.
Yeah, we let them go.
Nice to be able to do that.
We let them go crazy. Miko went crazy, and then we did some night photography.
Yeah, that was the first time I just decided to play around with a little bit of night photography. Thank you.
But Lake Powell's awesome. This was a stop on the way to Vegas to meet up with Two Doves Nation, which would be following these videos. But check it out. Alrighty, y'all, join the road.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
And give us a thumbs up if you like the video.
Yes, please do. Alrighty, see ya.
Yeah.
Give me a ball. Come here. Run! Run! Give me a ball. Give me a ball.
Not gonna let that ball up to you.
Nope.
No, that's his ball.
Come here. Come here. Give me the ball. Give it to me. Miko. Miko. Give me that ball. Oh yeah, you can't get the birds. Where'd they go?
Is it bad or more? Miko just wants it more. That's why he goes so fast to go get it. Say kind of halfway.
Give me that ball. Say the girl. Give me that ball. You ain't gonna give me that ball. Drop it. Get that ball. Jump for joy. Jump for joy. Oh, you're so eventful. Yeah. He don't want to play with you.
That was a good one.